Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining bar charts as we have already studied what is pictograms in the last video regarding graphs and using charts to display data. So today we will be doing bar charts. So what basically is bar charts? So this is the continuation of the exercise 4.3 or part 4.3. So this will be continuation of 4.3 part 2. So in part 2 we will be doing bar charts. So what basically is bar charts? So bar charts are normally used to display discrete data, and the charts shows information as a series of bars plotted against a scale on an axis. So for example, if we have number of days of rain, so on the bar graph we can draw like this, and here we can write months like in January, February, March and April, and here we can say number of days the rain has been done, or it rained, number of days it rained, so 2, 4, 6 and 8, and last is 10. So in January the number of days it rained was 4 days. In February it rained 8 days, whereas in March it rained only 2 days, and in April it rained 10 days. So this means that in April rain most of the days, or in April there were more days that it rained as compared to January, February and March. So this can be an easy indicator and easy measurement of seeing how was the performance or any other type of measurements that you're using. For example, number of books taken out of a library. So here we can show is number of books, here number of books, like we can say 100, 150, 200 and 250. Here we can say again Jan, February and March, and last is April. So in Jan there were number of around 175 books were taken out of the library, whereas in February 250 books were taken out in February, whereas in March only 100 books were taken around, and whereas in April there were 200 books taken out of the library during April. So this shows that in February most of the books were taken out, greater number of books were taken out of the library during the February month, whereas in March it was the lowest number of books that were taken out of the library during March. So this is also a better way to show the information as bars plotted against the scale on the axis. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.